Let me tell you two stories. One man cleaned floors for a living, wore old clothes, drove a used car. No one thought he was rich. When he died, he left behind $8 million. Another man went to Harvard, ran a massive company, lived in a mansion with 2 swimming pools. When the economy crashed, he lost everything. So here's the question. How did the janitor become the millionaire and the executive go broke? The answer has nothing to do with intelligence. It has everything to do with behavior. Today, I'll show you 5 money rules that separate people who build wealth from people who only look rich. And the last one isn't even about money. It's about freedom. Lesson 1. Luck and risk matter more than you think. We like to believe success is all skill. It's not. Timing matters. Where you were born matters. Who you met matters. Bill Gates went to one of the only schools with a computer in the 1960s. That accident of timing changed his life. Another brilliant kid with the same dream died young in an accident. Same talent, different outcome. Money works the same way. That's why you shouldn't worship winners or shame people who failed. Instead, build a life that can survive bad luck. Save. Diversify. Don't bet everything on one move, because staying in the game is how you win. Lesson 2. Getting rich and staying rich are different games. Getting rich takes risk. Staying rich takes control. Mike Tyson made over $400 million and went broke. Crypto billionaires made fortunes overnight and lost them just as fast. Warren Buffett didn't do anything exciting, he just didn't blow up. He avoided disasters. He kept compounding. He played defense. Because one bad mistake can erase 20 good years. The goal isn't to get rich once. The goal is to never go broke. Lesson 3. Real wealth is what you don't see. If someone drives a Ferrari, you don't see wealth. You see spending. Wealth is the money that never got spent. It's the account you don't show off. The investments no one sees. That's why people making $200,000 can be broke, and people making $60,000 can retire early. Income is loud. Wealth is quiet. Money you spend buys stuff. Money you save buys freedom. And the funny part? The people who look richest usually aren't. Lesson 4. The most dangerous word in money is more. How much is enough? Be honest, because most people never stop. They reach one goal, then move the goalpost. More house, more car, more lifestyle. There was a man who rose from poverty to become a CEO worth over $100 million. It wasn't enough. He wanted more, so he broke the law and lost everything. Money can't fix greed, and chasing admiration is a losing game. When you see someone in a Ferrari, you don't admire them. You imagine yourself in it. That's the trap. Define enough for yourself, because the richest person isn't the one with the most. It's the one who can stop. Lesson 5. Saving buys time, not just security. The highest form of wealth isn't a yacht. It's control over your time. Being able to say, I don't need this job. I can take a break. I can walk away. Even 3 months of savings changes how you live. You stop making decisions from fear. You start making them from choice. Money isn't power. Options are power. And every dollar you save buys a piece of your future back. So remember this. Luck matters. Don't gamble your life on one outcome. Getting rich and staying rich are different skills. Master both. Wealth is quiet. Status is loud. Enough is the finish line. Draw it yourself. And money's best use is time freedom. Because wealth isn't a number. It's the power to say no, the space to breathe, the ability to live on your terms. You don't win the money game by out-earning everyone. You win it by building a life that actually feels rich.